American Airlines recently announced it will stop service to 4 cities, and the CEO of regional carrier Mesa Airlines says as less flights are available, the ones we can book will be more expensive. But I'm here at a private high school that may help with this shortage.
We canceled almost 4,000 flights in the aviation industry last weekend.
The CEO of Mesa Airlines, Jonathan Orstein, says the current pilot shortage happened because many pilots retired during the pandemic and fewer new pilots have entered the workforce.
The cost of becoming a pilot has become so great because you need so many more hours. It's really limited the ability for anyone who is not a very wealthy person to become a pilot.
Rising Aviation High School in Addison, Texas could help with the shortage. All students graduate with flight hours and their sport, recreational, private, or drone pilot's license.
So students come, just like any high school, they show up at 9 a.m. and they're here for the day. But in addition, we have flight training built into the school day.
This school has just completed its first year and has more than tripled enrollment for the upcoming fall, thanks to summer camps like this one, where kids like Harrison Walsh get to test out their passion.
I want to be a commercial pilot.
Last year on our first day, we had 2 students. It grew to about 8 total for the year. And now, though, at the moment, we're already looking at 25 to 30 students.
Timmy Aluko says the experience here has piqued his interest.
You're literally going to high school on an airport, who wouldn't want to do that?
We think there's a huge benefit of being located on the airport. So students can accomplish their flight training, or they may go down the street across the other side of the airport, working on an internship at a maintenance facility, for example.
The Mesa Airlines CEO also suggests raising the pilot retirement age and allowing foreign pilots who have received certification in other countries to fly here in the U.S. until we have this pilot shortage under control. In Addison, Texas, Joy Addison, Fox News.